Everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Crystal Chanel, and today we're going to be talking about this lovely protective style that I currently have. I got my hair braided on Thursday of this week, so it's only been in for 2 days, so it is very fresh. I did get a set of knotless braids. They are pretty long just due to the length of my hair when my hair is blown out, but I did get the knotless braids with human hair ends. So I was definitely going for a different look this time. It is not necessarily fed in throughout each braid, but it is only on the end. And I did use a very good quality of hair. I didn't see a lot of YouTube videos for this particular hair brand when it comes to the braiding hair. So I wanted to share with you the brand that I did decide to go with when it came to just getting a quality loose human hair end. With the actual brand, it is called Indique. I did purchase their pure bulk braiding hair in 20 inches. I'll definitely make sure to link their direct link to that hair type below, because they do only sell one type of bulk braiding hair if I'm not mistaken. So I'll definitely link that below, and then you'll see some videos coming up soon with how that hair is holding up and me just reviewing it overall. But yes, I did get my hair braided, and here's what it is actually looking like. As you can see, the parts are very clean. Look at that. They're clean as all outdoors. I did get my hair braided here in Houston at a place called Amaka's Daughter. Her name was Linda, and she did a fantastic job with just being very knowledgeable of my hair type, my density of my hair. And she took the time to actually communicate with me before the appointment just to see exactly, you know, what I wanted, what I was expecting. And again, when I got there, she kind of examined my hair, my scalp, to make sure that I was, you know, a good candidate for knotless braids. And then I think that that kind of guided her as to what size I needed to go with and how they would look. Now, as far as the size go, for me, she went with the medium, which is a mix in between medium and small, I'm assuming. And it's perfect. I definitely love it. I'm going to try and stand up and show you all the actual length and what it looks like from the back. So give me just one moment. Let me try and get that for you. All right, so here is the length of my braids. As you can see here, this is what the loose end hair looks like. It is kind of a wavy hair. It's not curly, but more so wavy. Very pretty. And then I'm going to try and turn around and show you the back as well. Here's the back. It touches right here. Has great movement. And then let me just kind of turn around and show you what the parting looks like in the back as well. Again, Linda did an absolutely amazing job with my hair. So I do plan on keeping this for about a month and a half, 2 months. I'm actually going to go onto her website now and make my next appointment. She did mention that on the next appointment, since she now knows my head, she can kind of take this a little bit shorter to where it's not as long, and kind of feed a little bit in to give me more of that Zoe Kravitz look. But overall, I absolutely love the way that she did my braids. I got there at 9:30. She started on me at 9:30 actually, and she ended around 3:30. So it was about a 6-hour job, and she did this all by herself. Let me say it again. She did it by herself. She didn't have an assistant working with her to do my hair. 6 hours? Yeah, I'll definitely do that. I've heard of some braid salons or people that braid on their own that take 9, 10, up to 12 hours to braid hair. So I'm definitely pleased. And it was a great experience overall. Her shop was clean. It was kind of, you know, designed to kind of look bohemian, kind of modern like, but the shop was very clean. Everything was neat. She did bring, you know, in and we watched a little bit of a TV show on Netflix the entire time, and she just was in a zone. She had her podcast in her ear, and she was braiding. Her hands were moving. So it definitely worked out. Again, I love it. It took 6 hours. It is here in Houston. I'll link her page below because she does have an Instagram page, and I'll link her website below so that you can go and maybe take a look at her gallery and look at her appointment books and see if you're in the Houston area. You may want to go ahead and book with her because I definitely would recommend her services. So yeah, this is what I'm looking like. She initially, I can part my hair anyway. As you can see, I can do, you know, a very pretty and flat middle part. My knotless braids are really flat, which is the whole purpose of getting knotless braids, so they can look natural when it comes to the scalp part. You don't have that knotting there that you would have with your traditional box braids. But yeah, my hair is super flat. When I do get ready to kind of start putting it in a ponytail and styling it, it'll lay, you know, very flat for me. I won't have an issue doing that. And then I'm going to try and play around with some styles with this. And I may even try and do some turban styles. I'm new to the whole turban wrap life. So I'm going to try and do some of those as well. And you'll definitely have some videos coming with how I upkeep it at night, how I keep it lasting longer without frizz, and how I maintain it and wash it, you know, on a weekly basis, because I have to wash my hair weekly. So stay tuned for some videos coming up on how I am going to take care and style these beautiful knotless braids. And let me know down in the comments below if you've ever had knotless braids before and how long they lasted for you, and if you would do them again. They're not everyone's cup of tea. So I look forward to hearing from you all. Let me know if you have any questions in regards to these braids, or Linda at Amaka's Daughter. And I will talk to you all later. Bye.